Make it quick, Doctor.
I'm trying, sir, but there's still a lot of refugees to treat. Do we have any idea how many came on board?
Best guess between 350 and 400. You'll get an exact number soon. Is that all?
Yes, sir. What about my request for more hands?
Sorry, Doc. You're gonna have to make do with what you have. When we reach the Titan, they'll be able to help.
Aye. And sir, I know there are a lot of rumblings about taking on all of these refugees, but for what it's worth, I do think it was a good thing.
Thank you, Lieutenant.
Yo. Record. Damn, dude, you were thrashing about. Bad dream? Sleep rotations in 10. 2 hours about up anyway. I'm amazed that you're able to sleep at all after what happened. It's fucking roasting in here. It's like there's no air anywhere on this ship. By the way, Irish swam by. Didn't dare wake you. I'm telling you, man, you gotta steal sleep while you can. Peace, right?
This one's okay. Hang on a second. Navigation, satellite uplink, radar, sonar, internal. Good weather and binoculars. 100 years ago, it would kick ass. Or blind as bananas. China's.
All hands who speak or understand Mandarin, please report
All
your
right,
CO.
the EMP strike gave us all a pile of surprises.
All hands, prepare for rendezvous with the USS Titan in 25 miles.
Hey, Wrecker, don't put a leash on Iris. Clown's about the whole damn
Medbay's just down there. Her husband was talking a few minutes ago. The dude's head trauma might be more severe than we thought.
You can't go in there, man.
Are you insane? My husband's in there.
I'm sorry.
Let me in. Who's in charge here?
Would you please step back, ma'am?
She's on our side. Let her through, Squids.
You need to do a CT scan. He may have intracranial bleeding.
We've got no means. Most of our equipment went down in the EMP blast. Look, the plan is to rendezvous with the USS Titan, and then we can use their facilities. Ma'am, I'm gonna keep close tabs on her husband.
I will stay with him. I have medical training.
Fine. Take all the help I can get.
Unconscious is not good. Iris is looking for you. I think he's on the lower vehicle deck. You and him kiss and make up yet? This whole thing is just freaking ridiculous. If Admiral Chang is out warmongering, he can strike us. We'll be dead before we see it coming. I sure hope it's not as bad as it looks. When we get to the Titan, we'll know for sure.
All hands.
Irish is a great guy, but he always gets us into these situations. I don't know, maybe I should say something. It's tough, you know? A unit member should never overstep what the leader decides. That's just bad for unit cohesion. Then again, you're conscious, right? What do I know? When it comes down to it, that was your call to make, not Irish's. Hey, Irish!
Back!
What's up, kid? Here you go. Hey, count 396 survivors. Mostly women and children. You did a good thing, right?
Yeah.
Hey, come on, man. You're not buying into that they're the enemy bullshit.
No, of course not. But it wasn't your call to make. Dunn put Wrecker in charge.
I mean, come on, Pac. What the fuck is this about? The right thing or fucking protocol, man? You know what? Let's take it upstairs. I answer the garrison if there's a problem.
No, you won't answer. Squad leader will. Under ideal circumstances, this ship would be hard-pressed to accommodate 400 refugees.
If Garrison's pissed, he's pissed. It was the right thing to do.
Your presentation needs work, Irish.
General quarters, general quarters.
Let's get topside.
Man your battle stations. This is not a drill.
Hey, switch.
I say again.
Make way, sailors. Make
Man
way.
your battle stations. This is not a drill.
Mother of God. Look.
I'll be damned.
Cow.
It's not good, Pat.
So many bodies.
Tombstone! Where the fuck is Tombstone? Sergeant Wrecker, bring your men with me.
On your six, sir.
Come on, Wrecker.
Clock's ticking on the Titan. I need eyes on board before she's lost forever to the deep blue. Now, there's a number of variables at play. We don't know who attacked them or if they'll be back. Can't afford any surprises.
Tombstone won't let you down.
Sergeant Wrecker, Agent Kovic's taking the reins. You obey his orders as if they're my own.
Permission to speak, sir.
Dismissed.
But Captain Sergeant
We're not
Wrecker...
having this discussion, Irish. You'll obey your squad leader. I'll make room for any survivors. Setting the Valkyrie in a defensive posture, one click east of the Titan. Agent Kovic. Most of your squad.
We searched the Titan for intel and survivors. Gear up. Weapons and rebreathers. Ready to rip for launch. Move.
Aaron Squad, Oscar Mike.
Come on, Irish.
Hurry up, Marines. Time is not our friend. Sergeant Wrecker, take the wheel. We're all in the dark about what's happening, Marines, but this is your opportunity to help shed some light. Don't fuck it up.
Understand, Agent. Lots of people on the Valkyrie depending on us.
This is much bigger than the Valkyrie, son.
Look at it! I was nearly posted to it.
Any idea how much time we got before she goes under?
Come on.
What exactly are we eyes on for, Agent? The Titan's a big motherfucking ship.
Sit back and enjoy the ride, Marine. You'll be briefed when we get there.
You're leading us into the unknown. What's to enjoy?
Irish, come on. You're here to do a job, and I'm calling the fucking shots, okay?
Yes, sir. Agent Kovic.
Come again, Marine.
Just enjoy the ride, like you said.
There's a reef below the Titan on the edge of the 10,000-foot canyon. You might slide off any minute.
I don't see anyone!
Where the fuck is the crew?
Oh my God. She's taking in water. I can't believe it.
Believe it, little brother. Someone has killed her.
Kovic! Sir! Where should we go? How do we get in?
Go around. Circle her.
Yeah, look for a hole breach or something. There. Hole in the BGV.
You've seen that damage before. Chinese anti-ship missile. Listen up. The Titan was not in range of the Shanghai EMP blast. In several hours of report data gathered. Stuff we never saw. That's why we're here.
Better move fast.
Oh, shit. Kovic, you got an exit strategy if this thing rolls over?
Slide off the reef at some point. When that happens, we better be out of here. With the voyage recorder.
Here's the hatch.
Wrecker found it.
Wait, let me help you with that.
Open it up.
going down into that?
You could swim, right, Marine? Right? We dive all the way to mid-deck where we should arrive above sea level. Gear up.
You heard what the motherfucker says. Jump in.
Hey, listen. Survivors? Could be mechanical. We have to move. Water level is rising fast. Everyone good to go?
Go too good.
Close. Sounds coming from just up ahead. Engine room. Go on the other side of that door.
Get in there, quickly.
Down here! The water's rising! You gotta help us up. This is the only way out of here.
Don't worry, we're gonna get you out.
Step aside, Marine. Fuck, it's building shut.
Shoot it open!
They're dead already. Let's move.
Fuck we are. We're not leaving them.
Look, even if we had a torch, it would take 9 minutes to cut the wells. At the rate the water's rising, when we do get them out, they'll be corpses. We leave them. That's an order. You heard Garrison.
Man, fuck you. Hold on, soldiers.
Give me that.
Oh,
Damn it, Irish, cool down!
Sorry. Let's go. Move. Son of a bitch, I'll get him for that one. Get his ass. Wrecker, we gotta go.
Hey, they locked us in here! Please don't be saying that I want to die in here.
Who locked you in?
They locked us in and just left us here. I don't know why.
They launched the missile into the ship and then boarded it? It doesn't make sense. Wrecker, we should go on.
Hey, I don't want to die in here! No! Please! Tell my mom! Tell my mom! Help! I can't die like this! I can't die like this!
Let's get this over. A couple of minutes, she's going in.
Found it, Wrecker?
Now we get the fuck off this piece of junk.
about fucking time. Back to the balcony.
I hear voices. On your signal, Red. Take them down.
All right, let's do this.
What's the fastest way out?
Push straight ahead. Out of my way, bitches.
Yeah, why don't you flee, assholes?
Take cover.
Damn, Wrecker, good shot.
I'm moving. Move, move. Get out of here. Run.
Holy mother of...
careful! I need all you go. Now just stay cool! Retreat! Retreat! Let's go! Hands up! Hostiles inbound! Relocate! Come on! Bring it! They're falling back! Go! Push on! Fucking shot, man! Let's go! Valkyrie is in deep. Take her alive! Take us home! Trombo, incoming! Good shot! Come on! We're not there yet! Come on, Wrecker! Take us home before it's too late! Chinese are trying to board him. Fuck! Enemy helo! Fuckers lighting us up! Well, deck is open! What's Garrison thinking? Smart Garrison! Get us in there now! Motherfucker, close the gate!
Everyone okay?
We're invading our home. Good shot! Come on! We gotta get to Garrison before it's too late!
command bridge fell silent 10 minutes ago. Chang's people probably cut the wires.
Ah, god damn it. What about the people with Garrison? The man and woman?
What man and woman?
The Chinese couple.
There's Chinese all over the boat.
Ah, fuck! We gotta get back to the bridge. Now! To the command bridge. Lead on, Ricker!
Watch it, guys. That's who's friendly and who's enemy.
Hear that? Chopper up ahead. Let's go! Copy that.
Watch that, Hilo!
Sergeant, get ahead!
He's trying to bring down the command bridge.
Shit, that's what Garrison is. Record, you gotta aim! You need to drop it before it takes out the bridge!
Roger that. Ricker, get a stinger and take out that Hilo!
Supply crates up ahead, grab a stinger! Got you, motherfucker!
Yeah! Good shot, Sergeant! Push on!
Clear the area!
Garrison!
Take back the boat!
Push on! Get behind Garrison!
We can go through the med bay. Open it up, Wrecker!
Head is in trouble! Brace the door!
Fuck, back, come on!
Damn! Holy cow, she can fight. Where the hell is he?
Garrison had him relocated.
What? You left the side?
He doesn't know who I am. What was I supposed to do? Fight him? I have kept the line of defense. Call command deck. Ask Garrison where he's located. He'll listen to you.
Jesus Christ, Hannah, the command deck is cut off. Let's get the hell out of here. Tombstone, let's go.
On your six! You're full of surprises, aren't you, Hannah?
Eyes open. Ready? Get into cover! Damn it! We need to get to the bridge. On your six, ready. Hannah, use cover. Short bound.
Got that!
Confirm. Stern clear. Bridge is up here. I can't clear this alone, Record. Give me a hand. All right. Chopper, watch out! Hostile Hilo is down!
Hell yeah! Don't mess with the Valkyrie! Incoming aerosol!
Oh no.
Troop carrier! Take them out before they deploy!
You gotta make sure those fuckers don't reach the command bridge!
Move it! Move it! Not
take the shot!
Give us a target.
On the stern!
Standing by for targets.
Bow is clear! Stern
That was the
clear!
last of them! How is he?
Motherfucker! It's not good. It's probably all in there. Take it. Garrison has the codes. Chang's gonna hunt you. You be the center of it all. Make sure he lives. Marines, you tell Garrison he has to trust her.
Thank you.
Riker, you take the lead. Go. Go. Oh, let's go. Come on, let's go. I'll take point, squad leader.
So what are your orders? Go to the bridge and look for Garrison? Looks like you're back in command.
Clear! Clear!
Captain Garrison, the bridge is clear.
Is he okay?
He's stable. Where's Agent Kovic?
You didn't make it, sir.
Son of a bitch. Thanks to Tombstone, the Valkyrie still floats. She's a wounded warship, though. A long way from home, boys. Hostile waters. I don't think we've seen the worst yet. So I'm glad to have you Marines on board. Sergeant Recker, I want a debriefing in 15 minutes. Tombstone's yours.
Hoorah!